This is DJI Neo, and today I'll show how you can perform an automatic gimbal calibration on this drone. So at the start, you will need to enter the camera feed of the DJI Fly app. And obviously the drone has to be connected to your mobile phone. Then at the bottom, select Settings. Then here, go into the Preferences or Control Settings rather. And now select Gimbal Calibration. Here, tap on Auto, and now simply wait for this process to be, finished. Since the calibration is automatic, it does not require any actions from your side or from your end. And once this procedure is in process, make sure to have your drone on a level surface and do not touch it or move it around. So make sure that it's stable and stationary in order for this auto gimbal calibration to be performed correctly. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye-bye.